Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make your images clickable on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see currently on the main page of my site, I have this image, and as you can see, it's not clickable. I'm clicking on it right now, and nothing is happening, but we're going to change that in about a second. Now, to change the image and make it clickable, you're going to go ahead and click on edit and then click on an image. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up a link that this image is going to lead to. So if I click on it, you can go ahead and click here to edit the link, and you can select whether you want it to be a URL, a file, phone, email, whatever you want. That, or you can also choose the main navigation over here. If you click on enter link, it should show you the main navigation segment, and over here you can select whichever page you want it to take you to. So for example, let's say I want to take myself to the YouTube page, and you can only add the URL, whatever this is called, pretty much the URL slug that goes at the end of your link. You can only add the slug if you're linking it to a page on your own site. So for example, let's say I want that link to be available, and now if I go into link, as you'll see, that link should take me to this page. And now we're going to save the changes and we're going to exit the preview. Now if I go over into the main page, as you can see, the image is now clickable due to my cursor icon changing, and if we click it, it's going to take me back or it's going to take me over to this test page that I've created right over here. And it's pretty much as simple and easy as that. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.